Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about inline member functions, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, inline member functions are functions declared inside a class that are defined directly within the class declaration, rather than in a separate implementation file. They are marked with the inline keyword, which tells the compiler to generate a copy of the function's code wherever the function is called, rather than generating a single instance of the code that is shared among all calls to the function. Inline member functions can be useful for small, frequently called functions that can benefit from the performance improvements that come from avoiding the overhead of the function calls. Inlining a function can reduce the time required to call the function by avoiding the need to push and pop function parameters on the stack, and by avoiding the need to perform a function call and return. Here is an example of an inline member function in the dog class. It is worth noting that the overusing inline functions can lead to larger code size, as the compiler generates a separate copy of the function's code for each call site. Inline functions should be used with care and only for small, frequently called functions. For larger or less frequently called functions, it is better to keep them out of the class declaration and implement them in a separate implementation file. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.